Hello everyone, thank you for attending today's virtual exhibit hall. In this video, you'll learn about Arolytics AROfemp methane simulation tool and how oil and gas producers use this tool to optimize their methane program performance. At Arolytics, we understand that managing enterprise-level emissions is complex. When planning an emissions management program, there are a lot of factors to consider, such as maintaining ESG performance expectations or deciding between multiple technology options, trying to keep your operating costs down, and ensuring compliance with local regulations. Lastly, what do you even do with all that data that you're collecting? Arolytics has developed solutions to help you create and implement the most effective emissions management program possible. Arolytics offers two products that together provide an end-to-end solution for oil and gas emissions management. To get started with planning the most effective methane monitoring programs and obtaining any required regulatory approvals, we offer AROfemp, our proprietary emissions simulation model. Once the Fugitive program is planned, our data management software AROviz comes in. However, that is a topic for another presentation. Today, we'll be focusing on AROfemp. AROfemp is our proprietary methane simulation model, which is built specifically for industry and in direct collaboration with relevant regulators. This advanced model simulates Fugitive-invented methane emissions and runs emissions management program scenarios to estimate outcomes, specifically methane emissions, reductions, and estimated costs. Users can experiment with various measurement technologies, frequencies, and repair timelines to find the best and most cost-effective methane management solution for your unique situation. Here is how AROfemp provides the building blocks for an effective emissions management program foundation. AROfemp incorporates random variables when simulating leaks, assigning leak sizes, and simulating repairs. This means that each time the model is run with the same input parameters, it will produce slightly different results to account for the natural variability and randomness of methane leaks. For this reason, a Monte Carlo simulation is used to approximate the most likely outcome. Secondly, we work with producers to gather important input parameters, such as details on infrastructure, budget, technology, and limitations. The model incorporates attributes of your real oil and gas infrastructure, as well as region and company-specific information regarding methane leaks and repair practices. Arolytics has worked very closely with producers to ensure that AROfemp accurately reflects industry work practices. Are you evaluating new methane detection or mitigation technology? Great. AROfemp will simulate that technology in a virtual environment and compare it against an established baseline to confirm effectiveness before you invest valuable time and resources into piloting that technology. Has your company set a methane reduction timeline? We can model campaign types and their respective timelines to ensure you are on track to meet your emissions reduction targets. Once the inputs are collected, the model is run on a one-day time-step basis, simulating campaigns and their outcomes along the way. Model outputs include a day-by-day summary of estimated methane emissions totals, estimated costs, comparison of programs to baseline, and recommendations on emissions management program designs in terms of total reductions, cost, and actionable thresholds. There are several specific reasons to deploy AROfemp, including taking the initial steps to establish an effective LDAR monitoring program. AROfemp's program design capability is able to predict program cost savings and methane reductions before a company has to commit to, pay for, and onboard new technology or novel surveying strategies. New emerging technology offers unique value propositions at varying costs and provide producers with a growing number of options and opportunities. But the options and applications of each can be confusing. AROfemp's technology evaluation capability will ease this confusion as we model your unique operation to determine technology fit. Likewise, technology companies can use AROfemp to evaluate their own technology and confirm best use practices and application strategies, passing on significant value to their customer. Next, AROfemp can be used to prove program equivalency, thus expediting approvals with regulators. This requirement is observed in Alberta, Canada, through the Alberta Energy Regulators Alt-FEMP program. Arolytics AROfemp model has proudly supported the majority of these equivalency evaluations. The industry adoption of AROfemp in Canada gives us great pride. AROfemp is the only commercial methane modeling tool and was built directly with the industry to ensure end-user value. It is currently being deployed by some of Canada's largest oil and gas producers, a few of which are featured here. It has a 100% regulatory approval rate and has enabled over 85% of Canada's Alt-FEMP applications. Thank you so much for your time today. Please visit our website to learn more and reach out to us directly on our contact page.